So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your BigCommerce subscription. So the first thing you want to do is log into your BigCommerce account. You'll be taken to your control panel of your store. So you need to go back to your account. So you can do that through here. So you can see manage store account or switch account. So once you click on that, you're going to be taken to this page right here. Now from there you can see the account for the store that you have. You can add a new store. You can see the active or inactive store that you already have on that list. You can go to control panel, which will take you back here. So on there you can see even the resources, and you can go to the name of your store. So click on that and it's going to open right here. So right now you can see your plan summary, store plan, price. You can upgrade it through there. You can see the store history, the details of it as well. And on there, if you are using a paid plan, so right now on a free trial, you should be able to see a button and then click on that button, which would be cancel current plan. But right now I only have the button upgrade, which would be to get a better plan or a more expensive plan that will work better for me. But on there you can just see on your plan summary for that specific store, you can cancel it through there for that specific account. So that's how you can do that. There isn't really some sort of quick easy way to get to that. So you first need to open up the name of the store, go to manage store account. After that, click on the store again, and then simply cancel your subscription. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.